we will start here about how does works the Wien bridge oscillator and how can do the Wien bridge oscillator experiment using IC 741. The components required 100 kilo ohm from second pin to sixth pin, and the 10 kilo ohm from second pin to ground, and the 3rd kilo ohm one 3.3 kilo ohm resistance on the resistor second end, connected the capacitor with series of the resistor second end, and from the 3rd pin the resistor and capacitor are parallelly connected to the ground. From the 3rd pin one resistor and one capacitor. Resistor is 100 picofarad, resistor is the 3.3 kilo ohm resistance ohms, capacitance is the 100 picofarad. Here we are using, this is the feedback resistor 100 kilo ohm, this is 3rd pin resistor is the 3.3 kilo ohm, and the 3rd pin to ground resistor is the 3.3 kilo ohm, and second pin to ground 10 kilo ohm resistor, and here we see two capacitors. These values are the 100 picofarad and 100 picofarad. These are the Wien bridge components. Now we know the output is take from the 6th pin and ground on the supply and take the output sine wave. We know what is the definition of the oscillator. Any circuit which is used to generate an AC output without an AC input, it is called an oscillator. To generate an AC output, the circuit must be supplied with DC energy 12 volts and minus 12 volts. Here you can see the output of the Wien bridge oscillator in the CRO screen and observe the waveforms. Wait. Now all the connections are completed and connections are made should properly, and all the connections are made as per the circuit diagram. Connections are made should tight. Now see the output. What will be happen in CRO screen? Okay, we are getting the sine wave in the output side. So our circuit is successfully getting the output sine wave. Now once again see the connections here. It is 100 kilo ohm resistor. The second pin to 6th pin connected with the 100 kilo ohm resistor, and 10 kilo ohm resistor from second pin to ground, and 3.3 kilo ohm resistor from third pin and another 100 picofarad capacitor connected with the second end of the third pin resistor, and the capacitor 100 picofarad second end connected to the sixth pin, and the 100 picofarad capacitor and 3.3 kilo resistor connected parallelly to the 3 pin to ground. Here see the connection once again. The 3.3 kilo ohm resistor and 100 picofarad capacitor connected parallelly third pin to ground. So the connections are completed. See, it is the VCC positive supply and negative is grounded, and it is the VE negative supply and the positive is ground. Okay, now we will see the output in from 6 pin and ground. This is the CRO negative, this is the CRO positive is the red. This is our output in sine wave. Okay, this is the Wien-Bridge oscillator circuit. Students, everybody must should follow the circuit diagram and these values. You take the output easily. Please follow my values. This is our circuit diagram, and constant formula is here. Observe here, 1 by 2 pi to RC. We know R value how much, we know C value how much. So easily we will find out the F0.